Now to make these sumptuous muffins, check out the recipe on my channel, Ayesha's New Cuisines. It is cuisine reminder. Subscribe and share for more content. Welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisine, She's Cuisine du Monde. My name is Chef Ayesha and this is my channel, a channel dedicated towards the cooking and cooking of global cuisines. So if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are most welcome. You can support by subscribing, liking, commenting, turning on your bell icon for notification so that you get to be well imbibed in new uploads. Today I'm going to show you how to make some muffins, delicious muffins. And for this we need approximately 1 cup of all-purpose flour or plain flour. We need some warm milk, we need some chocolate chips, salt to taste, baking powder, vanilla extract or essence, some cinnamon, so making cinnamon muffins, lard, so clarified butter, or you can use butter. I'm just using a combination of both. Sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature. Let's proceed. I've melted the butter as well as the clarified butter. That's the lard. So I'm gonna it goes in a clean bowl. Pour in the sugar. I'm just gonna stir this with my whisk. Cracking my 2 large eggs. My egg, I'm just gonna add approximately, let's say, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna mix this thoroughly till it's well combined. So this is what we have. Now in goes my milk. Set this aside and then we'll work on our flour. So that's our flour. I'm just gonna incorporate in some salt, baking powder, approximately, let's say, 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, a place where your cooking is cared for. Come on, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. She's Unique Cuisines, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. She's Unique Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, She's Unique Cuisines, a place where your cooking is cared for. Come on, She's Unique Cuisines, She's Unique Cuisines, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, you are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. It shall be just uniqueness. It shall be just greatness. It shall be just uniqueness. This is a cooking channel whereby we cook and teach recipes around the world. So if this sounds like a content you're interested in, why not subscribe, like, comment, turn on your bell icon for notification. That way, anytime I upload a video such as this one, you'll be the first to get notified. And by sharing this video, you get an opportunity.
Now to make these sumptuous muffins.